Hello everyone, this is Attorney Maria Baler with the law firm of Samuel, Sayward & Baler in Dedham, Massachusetts, where we focus our practice in the areas of estate planning, elder law, and estate and trust administration. Welcome to this week's edition of Smart Counsel for Lunch. This week we have an article for you that I wrote on 5 situations that merit some special planning. As you know, we think estate planning is important for everyone, whether you're 18 or 118. Estate planning is important. But there are certain situations that arise that require planning for those special considerations, and that can have some real unfortunate implications if plans aren't put in place. So these sometimes have to do with the nature or the situations of the people you want to benefit. Do you have a beneficiary of your estate who is disabled or has substance abuse disorder, or who spends money inappropriately, or whose spouse might spend money inappropriately? All of those types of situations, you need to be especially thoughtful about whether you're leaving that beneficiary money and how best to do that to protect the beneficiary while at the same time, benefiting them. You might have a beneficiary who's in a marriage that you're concerned about, or the beneficiary is concerned about, and you want to make sure you're able to benefit them, but in a way that doesn't cause those inherited assets to be lost should the beneficiary divorce after your death. And sometimes special planning has to do with your particular family situation. You might be in a second marriage where you have children and your spouse has children, and you want to make sure that when you pass away, you'll take care of your spouse, but you're also going to want to make sure that your children will be taken care of after your spouse passes. And more we're seeing people who are offering some kind of support to aging parents. If you have parents who are older, who you help out with living expenses or care expenses, you want to make sure that if you pass away before your parents, which admittedly is not common, but happens, if that happens, you want to make sure your parents will continue to be taken care of, and that any support you provide isn't going to end abruptly. So those are all situations where we want people to be particularly thoughtful about their planning and make sure they get planning done, so that if they pass away without proper planning, unintended consequences don't result. If we can assist you with any of these matters, please be in touch. Please read the article that's at the link below to give you a little more information about what can be done in these particular situations, and then schedule an appointment if you'd like to discuss further. Please like this video if you wish, and follow our YouTube channel so you can get notified when we post additional videos, which we try and do at least once a week. And stay informed. Thanks very much. Have a great day.